How to make money on reselling. A reseller's business can be a boundless opportunity for first-time entrepreneurs. But just like any other online business idea, a reseller's business needs a lot of persistence and dedication. In this video, you'll learn what it takes to be a reseller, why you should become a reseller, how to be a reseller online, reselling business ideas, and much more. We will tell you just how to make money on reselling and everything related to reselling. So watch the video till the end. Also, before we start, subscribe to our channel and turn your notifications on for more awesome videos. Now let's start. What does it mean to resell? Reselling actually means selling something again. The retail business model includes buying goods and selling them to customers through online platforms such as eBay, an online store like Shopify, or a brick-and-mortar secondhand store. Many resellers sell used items that they no longer need. Reselling is a great business opportunity for people who do not have the time or knowledge to produce their own merchandise, but who can identify valuable items available for sale. Why you should become a reseller? There are many reasons to be a reseller, from easy access to a variety of product choices to low cost of business. You will find that starting your online reselling business has never been easier. You will learn the rewards of starting a business, from financial gain to pursuing your passion. Here are a few reasons why you should become a reseller. Sell a wide number of reselling products. If you become a reseller, you will be able to sell a variety of products. If you resell clothing, as your business grows, you can resell shoes, jewelry, accessories, bags, lingerie, or other related products. Adding other products to your online reselling store will not cost much, as you only pay for the goods as customers buy from your store. Start your business immediately. You should become a reseller because it allows you to start selling on the same day you start your reselling business. After you add a few reseller products and content to your store, you can start marketing your business. You can start your reselling business in just 30 minutes. You will not have to wait for the arrival of goods or wait for anything at all. You can set and start on the same day. You don't have to carry an inventory. The best part of becoming a reseller is that you don't have to manage or carry your inventory. You can use a reselling marketplace like Oberlo that allows you to resell goods without buying bulk inventory in advance. You only pay for the goods as customers order from your website, which makes it a good choice for new entrepreneurs. Whether you sell niche products or boutique clothing, you can still make a profit without holding stock. Expand into other verticals with ease. If you decide to become a reseller, you will not be limited by your product category. When entrepreneurs sell a wide range of products, it can be costly to purchase a bulk inventory, pay shipping costs, and have an adequate selection of products. However, resellers can expand into the categories without purchasing additional inventory. You can increase your product sales by simply clicking a button. Lower time commitment. Those who become retailers will enjoy being able to run their reselling business without spending all their time on it. Most processes are automated, allowing you to manage your business easily. You also have saved time because you will not need to pack or send products to your customers. Low financial risk. A major advantage of starting a reseller business is that the financial costs are low. This is the right business for budget-conscious new entrepreneurs or risk avoiders. You will not need to purchase bulk inventory. Shipping costs are not high in the reselling business. You only pay for the goods as customers order through your online resale store. Therefore, the final cost of setting up a business are low. Ability to set your own margins. When you become a reseller, you are free to set your own margins. You can choose the price of your products any way you want. Since the cost of goods is low, you can price your products to ensure that your reseller business is profitable. The higher you set your price, the more you can make a profit. Be sure to check the industry standards in the product price industry. How much money can you make by reselling? Now on to money matters. It is important to remember that you will be charged a small fee on websites like eBay for everything you sell. This includes postage, package, eBay billing, and PayPal charges. You can find specific information on prices on online eBay seller guide. The amount you can earn depends on how you resell, what you resell, and how much time and effort you put into your business. In used merchandise stores, the average annual revenue per capita has grown to $120,000. For people who use an online platform like eBay, Poshmark, or The RealReal, the earnings vary widely. Some users draw six figures, while others make a little side cash each month by reselling used items. Increasing your earnings start with choosing the right items to resell. Whether you're collecting items on Craigslist or cleaning your closet, for example, ThreadUp estimates that you will earn only about $0.55 for Old Navy jeans, but a Gucci wallet can make you $286.84. The good news is, reselling is a very flexible opportunity. You can decide how much time, energy, and money you invest in growing your business. It can be a great balance of many different lifestyles and financial goals. Whether you want to pawn your old stuff into extra cash or add enough valuables to be able to quit your day job, we've heard of people who make anything from $500 to $2,000 a month by reselling items online. But it will take a while to find your niche in the market and for the money to start coming in. Be prepared for a little trial and error at first. Some things can make a small loss or just break even, while others will make you a lot of money. Stick to it until you find the best reselling items and products. How do you start a reseller business? Number 1. Decide what you will resell and where you will get your items. You might find a yard sale or estate sales, browse Craigslist, or find hot items in supermarkets like Goodwill. You can also shop sample sales, surprise sales, and other limited time discount events, or get discount items from retailers like Nordstrom Rack and TJ Maxx. Another option would be to drop ship discounted items from overseas retailers such as AliExpress. Or, if you want to get started without investing, you can find items in your closet, basement, or storage closet. Number 2. Decide how you will sell items. The platform you choose to use and the items you choose to sell need to match. For example, if you want to sell high-end designer bags, The RealReal could be a great option for you. If you have used furniture from Craigslist, a brick-and-mortar antique item store can be your best bet. Number 3. Do your research on the platform to find out which items resell the most. For example, if you are using Poshmark to resell branded clothing, follow some of the top resellers and pay attention to which products sell faster and at a higher price. You should also research the selling price point to determine how you can sell your items. That will help you decide what to buy by reselling it based on what will get you the highest profit. Pro tip: consider selling something you know about. For example, if you are a professional denim designer, you will have an easy time identifying the best deals on jeans you can resell. On the other hand, you can also choose items with the high profit margins and educate yourself. For example, you could enter the lucrative sneaker trade and start researching high-priced sneakers on eBay. After that, you can find out when new styles are being released and where they will be sold to make sure you get a piece of the pie. That's all for this video. We hope we could help you understand how reselling works and how much money you can make through it. Give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned to our channel for more awesome financial and business advice. See you all next time. Bye.